Alright, today we're going to be disabling and re-enabling the child locks on a 2000 Chrysler Dodge Grand Caravan. First thing you want to do, shut the door. Next thing you want to do is put the key in the ignition. And you're going to do this 4 times. Get it to where the lights come on. So not the first turn, but the second turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then within 10 seconds you're going to hit the lock button, and you'll hear that chime. And that's how you do it. It's that simple. And if you want to turn them back on again, just do it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then ding, all done. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sitting around and humoring an old fox and his tales. If you'd like more, please hit like and subscribe. And remember, nothing is more frightening than a fear you cannot name.